Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies paper 3. So let's get into the question. Muhammad bin Tughlaq lived in a camp called Sabargadwari for at most 2.5 years on the bank of which river? Whether it is a Sultez or Indus or Yamuna or Ganges. So here we are just not only give you the answer but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into it. The camp was Sabargadwari and it was on the banks of Ganges where Muhammad bin Tughlaq lived for more than 2.5 years. Okay, so option 4 is the right answer. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.